Hello, welcome to Hank's Maker Mentor. My name is Ruth, and about 6 months ago, I released a video here on YouTube about what Cricut Access is and if it's worth it. I'm linking the video up above in the corner, and I'm also linking it in the description below. Since I originally did that video, we have gone through a roller coaster ride regarding Cricut Access. What stayed the same? What's different? We're going to do a quick review, and then we're going to focus on what the situation is right now. Cricut Access is a subscription plan that provides benefits in Cricut Design Space, the software that you use to design and tell your machine to make your projects, as well as providing benefits on Cricut.com. Now for the history lesson. I'm going to use my own words. Cricut says things much more diplomatically. I will link all of the articles I reference from the Cricut.com website in the description below. So make sure you go ahead and check those and all the other links out. In 2021, March 12th, 16th, and 18th, Cricut made big announcements. Personally, I feel that they are a lot bigger than the 2 new machines they just announced here at the end of May. On the 12th, Cricut sent out an email informing those that use Design Space for free without a subscription, which you can entirely do. It said they would start having an upload limit of 20 per month. That included files, images, and patterns. On the 16th, in response to major backlash, Cricut announced that as long as you had a Design Space account and had activated a machine by December 31st, 2021, about 9 months from the time that this was happening, you would have unlimited uploads for the life of your machine, regardless of your subscription status. On the 18th, they then reversed those previously shared plans, and with no intention to change it, everyone will have unlimited uploads regardless of their subscription status. In the letter to the community on March 16th, it ended by saying, of course, paid Cricut Access subscribers will continue to enjoy an unlimited number of uploads along with the other subscriber benefits. We will also continue to invest in our content, software, and value for all our members. In response to these announcements, people canceled their Cricut Access subscription, they signed petitions, they bought other brands of cutting machines. Now the history lesson is over. Since you no longer need Cricut Access to upload more than 20 designs a month, is it worth it? Let's go into more detail of what Cricut Access offers. I am on Cricut.com. I am linking this particular page in the description below. It lets you know that you have unlimited access to a growing design library of over 100,000 images that can be cut and printed. You have unlimited use of over 500 fonts, including writing fonts, which are harder to find in other places. It mentions these exclusive features of unlimited collections and more enhancements, and we'll talk more about that in just a little bit. You also receive a discount on licensed content from Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, Harry Potter, and more. It talks about getting free economy shipping on all Cricut.com orders that are more than $50, and then 10% off and exclusive deals on Cricut.com purchases, and then subscriber-only exclusives such as the Cricut mystery boxes, and frequently contain Cricut cuties, which are a very popular item. There are the 3 different plans. You have the free plan, which has 1,000 images, 15 fonts, a la carte digital purchases, 250 ready-to-make projects, and up to 5 collections. Like I said, we'll go back to talking about those collections in just a little bit. It lets you know that you do not receive the Cricut.com benefit. This is included with your Cricut account. You are welcome to use Design Space without paying the subscription. The standard Cricut Access plan you've got unlimited use of over 100,000 images, unlimited use of over 500 fonts, 10% off the licensed images like Star Wars, Harry Potter, and so on, thousands of ready-to-make projects, and an unlimited number of collections. The standard one also gives you the 10% off the Cricut.com purchases, including machines. It does give you the priority member care. You can pay for this monthly or yearly. Monthly, it is $9.99 a month. Yearly, you pay $95.88 up front. You save $24, and then it works out to being $7.99 a month. The premium plan includes everything from the standard plan, but this one you do get the 20% off all materials, the free economy shipping on orders more than $50, and the priority member care. This is only billed yearly for $119.88, which breaks down to $9.99 a month. When you purchase Cricut Access, you have immediate use of all the perks and are charged monthly or yearly until you cancel. If you do cancel, you continue to have unlimited use until the end of the subscription period, so you don't have to try to remember to cancel it right before it renews. In Design Space, projects, fonts, and images included with Cricut Access are clearly marked with this little A icon. The shopping benefits automatically apply when you make transactions with your account. But what about those exclusive features I mentioned earlier of unlimited collections and more enhancements? The Design Space update released right after the drama in March included the ability to create project collections. If you want to check out the video about that, it's linked up above and down below. Collections are essentially like folders that you have on your computer, phone, tablet, and filing cabinet. For Design Space users that do not have a Cricut Access subscription, you can create 5 collections. On the other hand, if you do have a subscription, you can create an unlimited number of collections. I have been unable to find a list or any other sort of documentation of what the other enhancements are. I thought I saw a project or two that were exclusive to subscribers, that you couldn't buy the project pieces individually, but I am no longer able to find them. If you know of any other benefits, let me know in the comments below, please. There are a lot of alternatives to Cricut Access. 2 of my favorites are Creative Fabrica and Design Bundles. CreativeFabrica.com has freebies, discount deals that change weekly, and daily gifts. Everything you buy from this site has commercial license, so you are able to make things with it and sell them. Design Bundles has the same idea. There is commercial license for all of the designs. They do monthly $1 deals that are amazing, and there's also a collection of free designs. Both of these sites have files that you can upload into Design Space and use there. DaFont.com is another option of somewhere to look for fonts, though you will need to make sure you check for licensing, since many of these are free only for personal use. So if you plan on selling the things that you make with this, you will need to find other fonts or look into getting the license for these fonts. Etsy is another place to get design. I just typed in SVG and it brings up many different options, but you can narrow down your search by looking for something else with SVG or PNG, depending on what kind of project you're doing. Design Space also has a number of designs that are free this week and free all the time. When you're on your canvas, if you click on images, you want to be in the all images, and under highlighted categories, you'll see the free this week. These change and there is a large variety, but if you put a design in a project and you don't make it right away, if it is no longer included in free this week, when you go to make it, you will need to pay for it, even if you added it to the project while it was free. There's also a large variety of other crafters memberships and content creators that have designs that you can use by either paying their subscription or subscribing to their email list. Is it worth it? That really is a personal decision. It is faster and simpler to create projects since there is no need to upload. There are monetary discounts at Cricut.com and on licensed images. If you want to create unlimited collections, it is necessary. If you like finding other designs or don't use the paid designs and fonts in Design Space often or at all, you probably don't need to purchase the subscription since you can pay for them a la carte as you need them. I liked having Cricut Access when I first started because it helped me get comfortable using my Cricut machine because I didn't have to work as hard designing things. I hope it was helpful to see what changed and what stayed the same in 2021. If it was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.